How to buy volunteer text support token. This token came under the symbol of VTS. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money to work on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this Solana token. Open your fund to mine for that. As you can see, now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. And now here, type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or customer, because most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy VTS token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.